Hello, everyone. Mr. Mercer here. So happy to see you. Today, I'm going to read the story Ocean Animals from Head to Tail, written by Stacy Roderick, illustrated by Kwanchai Moria. Let's begin. What ocean animal has a head like this? A hammerhead shark. It's not hard to guess how this shark got its name. This fish's hammer shaped head may look strange, but it's useful too. The special shape means the shark's eyes are positioned to see above and below at the same time. This is particularly helpful when hunting for its favorite food, the stingray. What ocean animal has eyes like this? A colossal squid. The colossal squid's soccer ball sized eyes are the largest of any animal. The bigger an animal's eyes, the better it can see in areas where there is very little light. The squid's eyes are built for searching for prey, animals it eats, and watching out for predators, animals that eat it, in the deepest, darkest parts of the ocean. What ocean animal has a mouth like this? A blue whale. This huge animal, the biggest ever known, survives on tons of tiny shrimp like creatures called krill. When the blue whale eats, it first swallows a mouthful of ocean water. Then it lets the water flow back out through rows of baleen, the stiff bristles that grow down from the whale's top jaw. The baleen act like a giant sieve to catch all the tasty krill. What ocean animal has a body like this? A moray eel. The moray eel is actually a fish, even though it looks a lot like a snake as it slithers through the water. The eel's long, thin, muscular body easily bends and twists through coral reefs and into small rocky spaces. Here, it can hide and wait for its next meal to pass by. What ocean animal has a fin like this? A sailfish! Thought to be the fastest sea animal of all, the sailfish has a large fin running down its back. This fin can be raised and lowered almost like the sail of a boat, but scientists aren't entirely sure what this fish uses its sail for. One idea is that it raises the sail when frightened to look bigger and fiercer and scare off any possible threats. What ocean animal has flippers like this? A green sea turtle. Unlike their slow moving cousins that live on land, green sea turtles are fast. These super swimmers use their flippers to zip through the water. The two front flippers act like paddles, powering the sea turtle forward, and the two back flippers are like the rudders of a boat, helping the turtle steer and keep steady. What ocean animal has tentacles like this? A sea anemone. Although the colorful, tentacle covered sea anemone looks more like a pretty flower than a hungry hunter, most fish don't want to get too close. That's because the sea anemone has tentacles filled with venom for stinging nearby prey. Once stung, the fish isn't able to move, and the anemone then uses its many tentacles to pull its dinner into its mouth. What ocean animal has a tail like this? A seahorse. Most fish use their tails for swimming and steering, but a seahorse uses its tail to get a grip. This small fish is not a strong swimmer, so it wraps its tail tightly around coral, seagrass, and other weeds to keep from being swept away by ocean currents. A seahorse can also travel longer distances by attaching itself to floating seaweed and hanging on for the ride. Other awesome ocean animals. A trumpetfish is named for the shape of its long head and snout. A starfish, or sea star, has an eye at the end of each of its arms. The fangtooth's big mouth and spiky teeth have earned it another name, the ogre fish. When in danger, the porcupine fish, or blowfish, puffs up its body like a spiky balloon. A manatee uses its flippers for swimming and also to hold on to food and even other manatees. An octopus actually has 8 arms, not tentacles. A stingray protects itself by whipping its tail around, which has spiny stingers. A lionfish's spiny dorsal back fins are filled with a powerful venom. And that, my friends, is the end of our story. Thank you so much for reading and listening along with me, and I'll hopefully see you soon. Bye, friends.